Hello, welcome to Igbo Online College. No, na Igbo Online College. Remember that at Igbo Online College, we cater for all your Igbo needs. Whether you want to learn Igbo, you want to gather data on Igbo, just contact us on igboonlinecollege@gmail.com and we'll take it from there. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to use Kedu Aha or Afa. Remember that these two words, Aha and Afa, mean the same thing. The only difference is dialect. This one is the standard Igbo. This one is dialect. So, you hear people from Abia State, Imo State, they use this, Aha. People from Anambra State, Enugu State, use Afa. Okay, let's delve into it. Now, look at this, Kedu Aha or Afa. So you can use this phrase with all these other phrases here to form a sentence or to form sentences. So this one is gi, meaning you. This one is ya, him or her. This one also means his, ya. This one is unu, you people. This one is ha, they. Onya, onya. Take note of how I pronounce it. Onya, as if they are linked, they are written together. Onya, this person. Person. Onye means person. A means this. Onya. Iha. Ihe means thing. A means this. Iha. Onye ahụ. Onye means person. Ahụ means that. So, that person. Onye ahụ. Ihe ahụ. This ihe means thing. Ahụ means that. So, ihe ahụ. That thing. So, let's look at them in sentences. Okay, so you can use the two phrases like I said before to form sentences, and the sentence is used to find out what something is called. So let's look at this. Now look at these sentences. All these sentences you are seeing, four of them, they mean the same thing. They mean one and the same thing. The only difference is dialect. People from Enugu, Anambra, we use one sentence over the other. Kedu aha ihe a? Say after me. Kedu aha ihe a? Kedu aha ihe a? It means, what is the name of this thing? Kedu afa ife a? Kedu afa ife a? Kedu afa ife a? Olee aha ihe a? Olee aha ihe a? Gịnị bụ aha ihe a? Gịnị bụ aha ihe a? These four sentences you're seeing here, they all mean the same thing. What is the name of this thing? So, feel free to use any one you find easiest. Anyone you feel is the easiest for you. Please feel free to use it because any Igbo person will understand you perfectly. Alright? Let's go to the next one. Now, look at these five sentences. They all mean one thing. What is this called? What is this thing called? So, kedu ihe a na-akpọ ihe a? Kedu ihe a na-akpọ ihe a? Kedu ife a na-akpọ ife a? Remember to say after me. Kedu ife a na-akpọ ife a? Olee ihe a na-akpọ ihe a? Olee ihe a na-akpọ ihe a? Gịnị ka a na-akpọ ihe a? Gịnị ka a na-akpọ ihe a? Gịnị ka a na-akpọ ife a? Gịnị ka a na-akpọ ife a? Gịnị ka a na-akpọ ife a? Together they all mean, what is this thing called? Now, you want to say, what is this? What is this? How do you say it? Kedu ihe bụ ihe a? Kedu ihe bụ ihe a? Kedu ihe bụ ihe a? Take note of how I pronounce these two. Ihe a, ihe a, ihe a. Kedu ife bụ ife a? Kedu ife bụ ife a? You notice that they all have the same tone. The only difference is some consonants. Like here we have H and F. Here we have H, F. Kedu ife bụ ife a? Olee ihe bụ ihe a? Gịnị bụ ihe a? Gịnị bụ ife a? What is this? So apart from asking what an item is, this is food, you can say gịnị bụ ife a? Kedu ihe bụ ihe a? Apart from asking what food is this or what item is this, talking about item, you can come in to your house and see a mess and you say, what is this? So you can still use this sentence. Gịnị bụ ihe a? Kedu ihe bụ ihe a? Olee ihe bụ ihe a? Olee kedu ife bụ ife a? You can use any of these sentences in that context. Apart from asking about stuff, you can also use it to ask about situations. You can use any of these. They all mean the same thing. So here is a summary of all we have learned so far. So the first sentence slide talks about finding out what something is called. The second slide is the same thing, asking what something is called too. Then the third slide is asking what something is. Ọ dị mma, daalụ maka ige ntị. This is where we stop for today. In our next lesson, we're going to learn how to ask what people are called. In today's lesson, remember we talked about how to ask what something is called. The next lesson will be how to ask what people are called. All right. Don't forget to comment in the comment section your question. If you have any question bordering on today's lesson or anything at all on Igbo, just comment down below and I will respond to you. Also, like and share this video. Ọ dị mma, daalụ rinne maka ige ntị. Daalụ rinne, daalụ rinne. Ka ọ dị oge ọzọ, nọdụ ọfụma.